Hi, I'm Pankaj Sharma, and today this is why you need to understand semiconductors. Hey there, today let's explore the fascinating world of semiconductors, the unsung heroes at the heart of modern electronics. So, what exactly is a semiconductor? It's a special material that's not quite a conductor and not quite an insulator. It sits right in the middle. Conductors like copper let electricity flow freely. Insulators like rubber block it. But semiconductors, they let some current through but only under the right conditions. The most common semiconductors are silicon and germanium. Silicon especially is everywhere in electronics. Now let's talk types. First up, intrinsic semiconductors. These are pure, just silicon atoms, nothing else. In intrinsic semiconductors, only a few electrons can move, so they conduct a little electricity, especially when heated. But here's where things get interesting. Add a pinch of another element and you get an extrinsic semiconductor. There are two types, N-type with extra electrons and P-type with extra holes where electrons could go. N-type semiconductors have more negative charge carriers, electrons. P-type have more positive carriers, holes. By mixing and matching these types, we can control how electricity moves in a circuit. Semiconductors are the foundation of all modern electronics, microchips, transistors, diodes, and more. Without semiconductors, we wouldn't have smartphones, computers, or even LED lights. So next time you use any electronic gadget, remember, it all starts with the amazing properties of semiconductors. Small material, huge impact. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of electronics.